Hello, today I wanted to show you Ubuntu based distribution called CutefishOS. As you can see, it's starting now. I wanted to show you a little bit its design and talk a little bit about it. So let's first change like the screen resolution. Display resolution. Okay. So, as you can see, by design, it's inspired in a company called Apple. Let's be honest, it's pretty like it has everything very like it's very inspired on Mac OS. You can see like the icons. You will see now. It's currently on version 0.8. It's a little bit on a little bit, he says. So it's very unstable. Don't use it for now. Only VirtualBox. It's in beta. I used it off camera and it has a lot of errors. Stable now. I don't know if it's unstable because I'm running it in live mode, or because it's unstable because it's in beta. I don't know. So as you can see, it has a lot of cool like features like power modes, power save and performance. Battery, you can see that it's very like it has the design. It's very inspired in. I'm not a Apple user, but I think the battery options like this screen, it's very similar to the iPhone or in the computer version and in the Mac OS version like screen. I'm not pretty sure, but let's be honest, it's very similar. Mac OS. So yeah. Let's look at mouse. Cutefish Dark. I like the design of this mouse. Sound, notifications, dock. You can change like in Windows 11 that has like a full dock or only a sender like in Mac OS. Smart hide, size of the dock, background, and fonts. It's like in every Linux distro. Let's change to dark mode, and I like that there is an option dim the wallpaper in dark mode. I think it's a cool feature. I don't know if other distributions have it. So it's sad that I can't put my laptop's screen resolution, but we have what we have. So let's look at other apps that are installed. The Archive Manager, well, it's I think it's like in every other distribution. Calculator, cool design, like very minimalistic. Chromium, like default document viewer. I don't have documents to look. Well, FCI. So I don't know what's this. I'm not like a Linux guru or something. It's for the languages, like the keyboard. The file manager, you can see its base. It's like all the design. It's like on Mac OS. So yeah, for me. You can see that the menu bar is like in Mac OS. It's not new in Linux. I saw this in other distros, but well, so this bar it's like the same like in Mac OS. Gparted, default Gparted without like design changes. Image viewer, input method. Okay, it's like this thing. Package installer, default package installer. I think they changed a little bit the design. Screenshot. Useful app. It doesn't give you the option. So it doesn't give you the option to select all screen at once. It's sad. I mean, if I want to screenshot all the screen, what I do? Yeah, not the best screenshot app that I've seen in Linux. Settings, yeah, the icon is the same. It's the same icon. Uninstall. I can uninstall settings. Serious? Nah, it won't work. Uninstall. Nah, it doesn't work. Whatever. Cutefish store that doesn't launch. Well, it launches, but it's in a infinite loading. Even if you type something, I think it's like for China only. Yeah, so this distribution is made in China, so not everybody will want to install it. I read in Reddit that there are people that don't trust like Chinese made in China systems. I understand them. So resources pretty like it's the same like in other distros. What's next? System update doesn't work. Yeah, so terminal, default terminal. Yeah, well, it has like this design. Yeah, it has a little bit more of design. Yeah, you can't update because I don't know why. Well, it doesn't work. It's a beta, so yeah, this system is on beta. If I didn't say, I don't remember. So, on video player, yeah, I think it's like BLC boot. Yeah, so yeah, it's very based in Mac OS. And I think we already watched everything. And the installer, so I don't know why it's defaulted to Spanish, even though my main system is in English. Could be by location, I don't know. Let's look at the installer. I want to install it, but at least look a little bit. Yeah, so the region, the keyboard, and this is like in, yeah, so it's like in Ubuntu. So there are like different installers. Even if you look at the original website, there is like there are different installers for, yeah, based on Debian, and there is different installers for Ubuntu. Let's try the this is the Debian version. Let's try the Ubuntu based version, what it looks like. Calamares, yeah, so I downloaded the Calamares installer only. because I don't think that we will need to look at both of them. Okay, so it has a different menu here. It says graphics install. Okay, to edit options. Yeah, so let's launch it. And yeah, so I think this looks a little bit like more personalized, like modified. I need to look at the Debian version later again, because so will it launch or not? What do you say? Let's wait. Okay, it launched. Oh, the cursor changed like the other one. Was how? What? Why isn't it so like default? I don't know. Yeah, so we have. Oh, donate PDF. There is a donate PDF. Okay. It was built on Ubuntu. Links are disabled in settings. Curious. Let's look. Yakuk. Let's change the resolution. Display resolution. Okay. A little bit more. Like this. Okay. There is no resolution, I think. Yeah, there is for my screen. Cool. So we are now on full resolution. And the first thing that I see, there is a terminal like here at the menu bar. I don't know if it's called like this. Sorry if if it's the wrong name. So it's so it's like in Ubuntu. It's the apps are like default Ubuntu, I think. Let's try changing the design and like the theme and the other settings. Power, yes, so it has the power mode like in the other display. No, dark theme on very appearance. Okay, dark, and let's change the color. Yeah, so it changes color and dim wallpaper. Yeah, it works. So background, let's change background. Dock, it's the same options. Version the same, 0.8. System update will work on this. Yeah, no, failure. Okay. For a moment I thought it would work. Whatever. It could be because I didn't install it. I don't know. So I see that there are more apps here. It doesn't have like the Chromium browser. Plus audio volume control. So it has like these links. I don't know why. Someone that has more experience. Oh, so it has like different, for every corner a different color. It's like, wait, isn't that like the Microsoft's logo colors? Maybe I'm wrong. So what's this? Gwen view. I don't know, but it looks a little bit like, I don't know what's this. So and why it's used. The First thing that I see, yeah, it's for looking photos. I see it by the start slideshow button, but I see that it didn't adapt everything to the dark theme. So package installer, screenshot. Let's look if in this version screenshot it's the same app. So you can't make a full screenshot. Scan light. What's this? Looking for devices. I don't know. So startup disk creator. Oh, it's cool. It's cool that you can create. Make startup disk. Cool. Store. Let's see if in the Ubuntu based version there is so sometimes I made an error at the start. First I looked at the Debian version and not on the Ubuntu, I think. So store doesn't load like in the other version. So Motrix, what's this? Didn't open. Don't know. Flame shot. Oh, here. Screenshot. So there is 2 screenshot apps now. Top tool settings. Select an area. Active thickness. Okay. So yeah, it's this like this app supports full screen, I think, mode. Yeah, because first it was like, yeah, so it's a little bit cooler than the other. I don't know why. Oh, what's this? Motrix, what's this? It's like for downloading videos or torrents, could be. Yeah, torrents. Okay, a pretty good design, like. So there is a little bit of inconsistency of the close thing like this. You see, every app has its own. Oh, Stacer. Let's start to. Hey, it's a cool app. It lets you like customize. I know that in Linux, like professionals, I think knew about all this, but I'm new to Linux and all these things. So, okay, it lets you manage the repository, disks, language. Yeah, yeah. Quit, don't ask. Okay. So yeah, store doesn't load because there are no network for it, but there is network. I think it's because it's not like fully made. Yeah, good. Wait, is there a terminal? No, yeah, there is a normal terminal and a like drop down terminal. Okay, yeah, default terminal. Okay, so printers, yeah, okay, for printing. Wow. Oh, it detected my printer. Cool. It's even easier than in Windows. I heard like that in Ubuntu in Linux in general it's easier to connect to a printer. I don't know if it's because I have the printer installed connected to localhost. I don't know how it works, but it's cool. If it's working without like specialized drivers or something, it's cool. So I think we saw everything like for now. If I didn't look at something, I will add it to the video. So the Windows key doesn't do nothing. A little sad. Like Windows key is super key for Linux users because they call it super key. So I think it's all for now. Cool distribution, made in China. I don't know if you can trust it. Left hand trust. Okay, so there is no like default cursor, only the Cutefish duck one unlight. Thank you for watching. A little bit, it's on beta, Chinese made, so I can't say that it's 100% safe installing it. Test it by yourself, research, and when I ended like the video recording, I put I see that the icons names disappeared, even though here they are like the names they exist, and from the taskbar there is no names. Only in the settings, no installer, and nothing more. So yeah, it's beta, so research, and for now only in VirtualBox, okay? I don't recommend installing it for now. So thank you for watching, see you next time.